Hey there. Welcome back to the Review Scout, your go-to channel for unbiased insights and trusted recommendations. If you're someone who's tired of paying monthly fees for multiple design tools, or you're just starting out in the digital world and need to create eye-catching visuals without any design experience, then stick around, because today's review is about to change the game for you. We're diving into a revolutionary platform that combines 15-plus high-end visual AI tools into one powerful, easy-to-use dashboard. I'm talking about none other than ImagioAI. Now, imagine this. No more juggling subscriptions between Canva, Midjourney, DALL, and Adobe. No more logging into different platforms just to create one decent image. No more limitations, usage caps, or complicated user interfaces. ImagioAI has packed all of this into a single dashboard with a one-time payment, not monthly. Just pay once, own it for life, and get access to award-winning AI models like DALL 3, Stable Diffusion XL, Leonardo AI, Firefly, and more. It's like owning your own fully loaded visual content studio, minus the rent, minus the headache. This tool is perfect for everyone. Whether you're an online business owner, a YouTuber, a social media content creator, a freelancer, or just someone who wants to build a brand without paying designers hundreds of dollars per month, ImagioAI is designed for you. You simply type what you want or upload a basic image and let ImagioAI turn it into a professional-grade visual in seconds. It's that simple that no design degree, no Photoshop skills, and no prompt engineering needed. Everything is plug and play. Let's talk about value point. One of the biggest selling points of ImagioAI is its unbeatable affordability. Tools like Canva, Midjourney, Photo, and Night Cafe charge you monthly fees ranging from $20 to even $100 a month. That's over $1,000 a year if you're subscribing to multiple platforms. But ImagioAI gives you lifetime access to all these capabilities for just $14. That's not a typo. $14 one time. Plus, you get a full commercial license included for free. That means you can create and sell your visuals, offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or use them in client projects without any legal issues or additional licensing costs. What makes ImagioAI even more attractive is its speed. In just 3 clicks and 60 seconds, you can unlock the creative power of tools used by Fortune 500 companies and top-tier agencies. The AI behind ImagioAI isn't some knockoff engine. It's powered by the exact same technology that drives Midjourney, DALL, and other industry leaders. The difference? You're not paying those crazy monthly fees or worrying about credits and limitations. There are so many things you can create with this tool. From studio-quality product shots and social media creators to animated characters, sketches, logos, and even Ghibli-style visuals full of charm and emotion. Need to remove the background and image? Done. Want to upscale and sharpen blurry photos? Easy. Looking to animate or restore old images? It's all included. And guess what? You don't even need to touch a single design tool or learn how to use Photoshop. If you're someone who's been burned by subscription traps in the past, like hidden cancel buttons, disappearing designs, and poor support, then ImagioAI will feel like a breath of fresh air. You own everything you create. It's all stored securely on ImagioAI's blazing fast servers, and you can export, resell, publish, or reuse your visuals anytime without restrictions. And unlike many popular platforms that delete your data once you stop paying, ImagioAI is a one-and-done deal. You keep full access and control forever. But don't just think about how much time you'll save. Think about the freedom that no more back and forth with freelancers. No more deadlines that no more miscommunications. You can finally bring your creative vision to life instantly. Whether it's for your own brand or a client project, you'll always have a visual edge that grabs attention and drives engagement. The commercial use license alone makes this a huge opportunity for freelancers. You can start offering graphic design services without ever learning how to design. Sell ad creatives, ebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, or product mockups, all generated in seconds. And since there are no monthly fees to worry about, every project you deliver is pure profit. And let's talk about the interface. It's beautifully simple. Even if you've never used an AI tool before, you'll find your way around in minutes. There are no advanced settings or overwhelming options. Just a clean, streamlined dashboard with everything you need in one place. It's a productivity dream come true, especially for solopreneurs and beginners. If you're still relying on outdated methods like hiring designers or paying per image fees, you're already falling behind. The digital landscape is changing fast, and AI is leading the charge. ImagioAI gives you a competitive edge, not just by creating visuals, but by freeing up your time and budget to focus on growth. Now, let's say you're launching a new brand. With ImagioAI, you can generate a logo, product mockups, promotional images, and social posts in a single day. Planning a sales funnel? Create banners, lead magnets, thumbnails, and more without ever opening Photoshop or Illustrator. Running a YouTube channel like this one? You can crank out thumbnails, channel art, and video graphics with zero design hassle. The platform is constantly updated, so you're not stuck with yesterday's features. You get the latest image generation technology as it rolls out at no extra cost. That means higher quality visuals, better customization, and more creative possibilities over time. And let's not forget, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if you're unsure, there's zero risk in trying it out. I always emphasize smart tools that actually empower creators. ImagioAI checks all the boxes: affordability, simplicity, power, and ownership. It's not just another design platform. It's a full-fledged business asset that can help you build your brand, make sales, and stay ahead in a content-hungry market. With this one-time investment, you're not just saving thousands of dollars every year. You're unlocking a whole new way of creating. No more waiting on freelancers. No more editing frustration. Just ideas turned into visuals instantly. So whether you're a digital entrepreneur, coach, course creator, affiliate marketer, or just someone who wants their visuals to look professional without paying pro prices, this tool is for you. And honestly, in today's competitive online world, a tool like this isn't just helpful, it's essential. You can finally stop paying rent on creativity. ImagioAI lets you own the process, control your output, and keep everything you create. Your work won't disappear. Your subscription won't get canceled. You won't be charged hidden fees. What you see is what you get, a complete visual creation powerhouse for a tiny one-time price. That wraps up this in-depth review. If you're ready to level up your visual content and finally take control of your creative process, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching this review on the Review Scout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more powerful software reviews and marketing tools that save you time and money. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep winning.